So let's tackle the fundamental concept. What is industrial AI and how does it differ from general AI?
Well, the first challenge is what is general AI? And as I've been doing my research and interacting with a bevy of data scientists and AI experts across various disciplines, data scientists, would be data scientists from the industrial domain, one thing I've discovered is that there is not a definition that everyone can agree on. So I think that's one challenge. Another challenge is that the popular press has kind of grabbed onto generative AI and almost de facto to them that is what is general AI, is this new era of breakthrough in generative AI specific tools and techniques, large language models to many. That is what general AI has become. And in our world of engineering, process control engineers, electrical, mechanical, chemical, whatever your discipline, if you're in the industrial sector, then AI is not new to us. It's been around for decades. I myself worked on neural networks 20 odd years ago. And so, really, industrial AI is more about the application of a wide range of tools and techniques, but from the data science, computer science disciplines, and all of the different machine learning, neural network, you name it. There's a whole collection of techniques that go back to frankly, 1950s, right? In terms of the evolution of AI, and many of them have been applied to industrial AI use cases. And I think that's when we talk about industrial AI, we're really just trying to get everyone back to, okay, it's the application of one or more AI tools and techniques to solve a specific business problem, or not necessarily solve it. More often than not, it's about providing additional insights and actions that augment people's ability to deal with the massive amounts of data that we generate in those industrial use cases. So hopefully that's a basic explanation of industrial AI versus this loose term of general AI.